Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Soul Awakens. My name is Juliet Bowen, and I created the channel, The Soul Awakens, for spiritual awakening for beginners. My spiritual awakening began in January of 2022. Today's message is about why we are here, and it's such an important topic. I think all of us, on whether we're on a spiritual journey or not, want to know, why are we here? Why did we choose this life? Whether we're in a why me moment, or whether we're in a just want to know just for curiosity, why are we here? Here we go. We come to speak to others who are interested in learning about the changes in you and the world that surrounds you. You can ask so many questions and find little that answers to why you are here. We've said this in many ways before with many others, but for you in this time and space, and for those listening in all that is, we wish to say hello. Hello before we answer this question, as the answer has many parts. For you, being here is part one. Hello, human. Your choice of coming here to be human, to experience all that can be as human, in a human body with human emotions and human feelings. It's not easy. If it were not easy, would you still be here? Some souls choose to come here for ease, and some come for pain. That is for you to choose. Others come for all the reasons in between these two extremes. And many of you have been here before, thousands of times for some, and for some, this is your first time. Welcome. So why you are here is dependent on what you choose to come here to do. Learn, yes, but so many more choices are for the taking. You came to paint, you came to explore, you came to create in all shapes and forms. So many jobs, so to speak. And with those jobs, you may ask, why the drama? Why not just the job? Drama creates change, yes? Drama is part of the job, your blueprint, so to speak. If all is love, then loving yourself is but one part of the job. Only love can conquer all? That is a saying, yes. Love can conquer all, but in what ways? That is what you came to experience. For some, this sounds like a cruel joke. How can you say, I've come here to experience trauma and such? Am I supposed to conquer rape, incest, torture, war with love? How is that supposed to happen? Again, we say you came for the experience. Some of you come here again and again with the same agenda brewing, to overcome and face challenges in many different ways. Torture may be one of those ways. How can you experience torture and find love? Well, my dears, that is not an easy answer. Thus, this is why you came. We answer to the dark side now. For those who have done unto others that should not be done. We speak of the unthinkable acts you see and hear about daily. How can this dark side to one's soul exist in this what you call a lifetime? Dark is but a term of pain. Dark is but a word of fear. Can you imagine how much pain and fear? We will throw in the word anger as well. The dark must go to harm others. This is but a fraction of what is really going on behind the scenes with dark energy. You are here to shine your light above and beyond what darkness stands in your way. This is why you are here. I want more, you say. Too simple, you say. Yes, but understand, love can be a simple or complex word. How do you wish to expand upon the simplicities of your life? This is why you are here. I, we, you, they, all that is here now with you always. And understand this has always been and will be the desires of the soul, to experience all that is with all that is. I'm going to read that again. Let me read that. To experience all that is with all that is, everywhere and everything, my dears. And this is the path you have chosen in this time and place to experience what you call a moment of the desired choice, a moment in the creation of time and space and place of your choosing. Nothing is lost in your creation. For the moment you are reading and listening to each of these words is a creation of thought. Is it not? Why are you here? Creation moves many things. Energy moves many things. Beings such as yourself have the opportunity to move things. Things such as thoughts, body, music, and others all come with compassion and understanding. Let's rephrase this for a moment. Your choices in any moment can come with compassion. And this compassion is for you to realize that compassion for the why me moments is just the beginning of what you can do to move from the trauma and drama mentioned earlier. This message is about your question as to why I am here. And to finish this thought, for those asking, we say to you in the simplest terms, you are here for the experience. You wanted this experience, the experience of love, that is, the experience of overcoming all with love and to shine your brightest light onto others, to create a wholeness of love throughout. Throughout what you ask, we smile. A topic for another time, my dear loved ones, another time. So that was a wonderful message. And I'm actually going to post a link to my website where you can actually read the words from this message. So I'd love to hear your comments below. And thank you for watching. Take care.